When December comes, I bet you want to wrap me all up and take me home.
Hello angels, welcome to Merrymitchmas. This is the third year we're doing Merrymitchmas and I cannot believe we are back again for the holiday season. I am so excited for you guys to watch this video. It is a chit get ready with me. I'm also going to be trying out the brand new Morphe and Mannymua collab and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts. I'm so excited for this video just because we're starting off this series that I have on my channel for the 5 days that I'm going to be uploading. I have very fun videos planned and I cannot wait for you guys to see them. This is just the beginning and I had to start off with a makeup tutorial just because this is a makeup channel, but don't you worry, I am actually going to be doing some lifestyle videos this year. And I feel like last year I just gave you guys a lot of makeup tutorials and holiday looking kind of makeup and I felt very burnt out very quickly. So this year I'm giving you guys different type of videos, so I hope you guys are excited, and I have a very special video at the end of this series that I hope you guys will love. Yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the post notification bell right next to it. Be sure to drop a like on this video. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys are excited to see from me. Let's get into the glam. Alright, obviously I have my eyebrows on and I'm going to now go into the eyeshadow. So I do have the brand new Mannymua palette with Morphe, which is very soft, glam-esque. Kind of maybe use this palette, the Born to Run. Usual, I'm just gonna use the Pee-wee's base. So let's go in with this palette. I'm gonna take this color. I just don't know if this is a matte. It's called Dust Cloud. Right there. And you guys know I like to do my brow bone area. I may go in with another color because I feel like it's not working for me. Like a whiter shade. I'm gonna go ahead and start the look off by mixing both of these shades, Sophie and Boy Next Door. Question of the day, did you guys already finish your Christmas shopping? Today technically is September 16th to December 16th and I just finished this weekend. The stores, by the way, are crazy hectic. I don't know why. I'm now gonna go in with the color Zaya. I feel like this would be like kind of like the Tati palette where it's like a very everyday go-to travel friendly palette. I don't know about that Tati palette because I don't have it. I'm now going to go into this Gamenta shade. And I'm just going to start blending this upwards. I'm just going to start blending this out with Zaya. Okay, I'm also going to go into the shade Hellride from this palette. I think it would be a pretty addition to it. Ooh, I live for the color. I'm going to take the color Cancer. This palette is definitely not like a James Charles palette. It's very, very soft, which could be a good or a bad thing. I mean, it's up to you. That's a pretty look. Yay! And then for the bottom, I am going to just kind of smoke out the lash line with the Howl shade here. I'm going to add a little bit of the jet color from this palette just because I like a nice, like, crazy lash line at the outer corner sometimes. That's pretty. Okay, so here is the finished eye look. I think it's super pretty. For lashes today, I'm just going to use Baddie B and the Style Extra. I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin with the YSL Touche Eclat Ballet Primer. If you guys know, if you guys have been following me for the longest time, you know this is one of my favorite primers. This primer has changed my life and my pores. I'm just going to quickly apply my Natural Radiant Foundation in Stromboli. Do you guys ever feel like whenever you guys don't have like makeup on, you just feel so like liberated, but you also feel very naked at the same time? Something about when I have like makeup, I feel more sassy, I feel more like bitch. I'm excited for Christmas. I already bought my parents something, I bought my sister something. I don't think my mom will watch this video, but if you are, do not watch this. I'm just gonna use Fenty concealer. I got my mom a vacuum because she really wanted a vacuum apparently, and I just was like, why do you need a vacuum? Here's my reasoning behind why I said why. Because our house is literally out of tile, like every single room has tile. That like doesn't make any sense. I also got her a nice little Fila sweatshirt that I think was so cute. Before I went in and I blended it, I did use the Smashbox primer water just because I feel like it makes it all blend together and it's not as, you know, cakey and stuff. You guys already know the deal. I go in with one sponge and then I go in with my microfiber for the actual setting of the under eye. I'm going to be using Anastasia's powder today. This is what I got from my mom's day. And then for Evelyn, which is my sister, I went and I got her one of my Nervina palettes. Got her a set of shampoo and conditioner because she always complains about not having nice like hair. And I got, the other day I saw her eyeballing this Kylie Jenner like set at Ulta, which was like 40 bucks, 40 something bucks, like 50 bucks I believe. It was like $50 for like a little kit, so I went and I did that. I feel like I'm a good brother. And I got my dad shoes because I get him perfume. He's such a picky man. I get him perfume, doesn't wear it. I get him other stuff, doesn't wear it. I do want to share with you guys some of the stuff that I got for Black Friday, since the video that I filmed to whip out the makeup items isn't gonna go up until after. I'm gonna be using the Dragon Beauty Face Palette. Just right now, you guys. I know a lot of people have feelings towards Miss Nikita. Keep that to yourself. So here's the palette. You get a bronzer, a contour, 2 blushes, and 2 highlights. I'm not really a fan of these two. I like this one that is silicone actually more than this one. This one has like a purple undertone, and frankly, I'm not really into purple highlights. I haven't gone to the gym in 3 weeks. I feel so bad about myself, but you know what? There is just so much things that are happening that I can't make it out there. Now with a smaller contour brush, I'm just going to take the colors Surge and Femme. Okay. And I'm going to take the color BB Girl, and I might mix in a little bit of this T-Girl one. I really like this. Oh my god, look how pretty that just made my cheeks. So now I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna go in first with the color Femme. If you want a super pinch nose, then go in with the darker color. And then just kind of really define that nose. I'm going to be using brightening powder, and this is the KKW Beauty in the number 1. This helps nose contour so much. And then with this blending brush side, I'm just going to start kind of cleaning up this nose contour. I'm just quickly going to mix the color Howl and Magenta or Gamenta, whatever. So now I'm going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, which is in this funky packaging. And then I'm just going to take the highlighters in the palette, which is Apollo and Nova. These highlighters are also very soft, like this palette. This palette is like pressed harder than usual, so I feel like it's meant to give a more softer effect. You know, this is just Apollo. I'm gonna add a little bit of Nova on top. Ooh. The eyes look like cranberry smoky and I'm kind of living for it. I'm just gonna quickly align my lips and we're gonna get my lips going. Lately, I've been really into like cleaning up my lip line. I don't know why. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors Flirty Liquid Lip. I was thinking of grunge, but I don't think I wanted to do a grunge look, so I just went with like a lighter mauve color. I'm not even gonna lie, I have no idea where I was thinking of bringing this look, but it actually looks really, really pretty. And that, guys, is the first finished makeup tutorial for Merrymitchmas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat, get ready with me kind of a vibe. I really like the palette, you guys. I think this palette is really good. The only thing I do have to let you guys know is that it's pressed very into the pan, so you will have to kind of go in a little bit more heavier than you were to go in with like a different kind of a eyeshadow formula where it's a little bit lighter, like an Anastasia formula. But it's not bad at all. I really enjoy this palette. I used it yesterday and I really liked it. The only shade that I haven't touched myself yet is the color Leo and Aries, which are two shimmers, which I will get to it one day. But I really do like it. I like how cranberry the eyes look today and the lip just, and it's really soft like highlighter and like really pretty makeup, so I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and my quick little review on that as well. I hope you guys are pumped for tomorrow's vlog, because tomorrow is going to be a fun video where you're gonna hang out with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah!